Alright, to use Auphonic, just click try Auphonic up here. Sorry, I meant Auphonic, and here we have it, okay? We've got 2 hours of free credit, so let's click upload file. We'll find a file, this one here. I can click upload and edit, okay? Upload and edit. Now we'll just wait for the file to upload. And there, we've got all the settings like the intro, see? If we want to add an intro or outro, we don't need to. Here is the file already has one. We can change the metadata if we want. As you can see, there's no title yet, just the recording date. So that's that. We can change this if we want, okay? Which is great because if I type one-click tutorial here, we'll see it later. Hello, okay? I'll put hello and one-click tutorial, we'll see it later. Track album, album, and track, okay? Then in extended metadata, we can add even more info like tags, subtitles, and such. We've got markers, that's it. The output format, right? What format do we want for the output? Well, maybe a 24-bit WAV, for example, okay? Speech recognition, though it's only for paid users. Here we have the audio algorithms we'll use, alright? We want to set a sound level, okay? Level and strength, sound intensity. We might want to boost the sound or leave it as is, got it? And apply a compressor, let's say soft, okay? The compressor will be compressing the sound wave. So if we set it to 120%, we're essentially boosting the sound, but we're also increasing noise, and the compressor helps prevent that noise from rising too much, right? Then we have the filter, which is a voice equalization. Voice equalization generally makes our voice sound a bit cleaner and sometimes warmer, depending on how you do it, right? As you can see, it's automatic here, so there's not much to do, but we can configure the LUFS, okay? If we want it for Netflix, for example, we set it to 27 LUFS. We can set it to -16, which is usually standard for YouTube, and then the maximum peak, which is while we're talking. Well, there's an average, which would be the LUFS, okay? It's the average sound level of all audio. Then we have the maximum peak. The max peak is the highest volume point, okay? So we can reduce that too. And finally, we have the sound reduction, noise reduction. Sorry, it can be dynamic, keeping voice and music while removing everything else. Or we can do speech isolation, whatever we prefer, right? We can remove all 100 dB of sound. Everything, that's it. We click start production. We hit start and it begins. Now we just wait, and there we have it, okay? It really improves the audio, doesn't it? I won't lie. The audio quality has improved a lot. So we simply click get here. This would be an audio and video format. I'll click get to show you the track. As you can see, the audio is large. Obviously it's 30 MB. The one I uploaded was probably 3 MB or so. The quality improvement is noticeable. Now, if we right click and go to properties and we go to details, we can see the title is Hello Contributing Artist is One Click Tutorial. So that's it, it's that simple.